Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and studying well at home. In today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about electric conductors and insulators. As you already know, some materials present around us allow the electric current to pass through them. Such materials are known as conductors of electricity or electric conductors. Almost all the metals are good conductor of electricity like gold, silver, copper, aluminium, etc. This is the reason we are use metal wires for making electric circuits. But on the same way, there are some materials which do not allow electricity to pass through them or to flow through them are called insulators or bad conductor of electricity. Why we'll call them as a bad conductor of electricity? Because they do not allow electric current to flow through them. Like paper, plastic, cotton, rubber, etc. All these materials are be known as bad conductors of electricity or insulators. But in the same way, beside metals, some solutions like salt solution, moist air, impure water, graphite are also be the good conductors of electricity. As the same way, dry air, pure water, dry wood, glass, dry clothes, etc. are also be the examples of insulators. Except this, even our earth is also be the good conductor of electricity. Human body, like our bodies, also be the good conductor of electricity. On these basis of conductors and insulators, now we are going to discuss about applications of electric conductors and insulators. Due to this property of current to pass through them or to flow through them, we are using some materials as a conductors or insulators at the various places. Like, as you already know that metals are the good conductors of electricity, for this advantage or for this advantage of passing the current through them, we are used these materials like metals for making electric wires, switches, plugs, sockets and the inner parts of the electrical devices. As you discuss about the insulators, so as these some materials are be as insulator like rubber, plastic, etc. So due to these property of insulation or insulator, we can use these materials rubber, plastic, etc. To cover the electric wires so that naked wire may not give an electric shock to the user. Electricians uses rubber gloves while working to safeguard themselves from electric shocks. So these are the some applications that we are using due to whether the material is be insulator or as a conductor. An electrical appliance and tools have their handles coated with insulating material like rubber or plastic to prevent accidents. even in case of the industries and factories use electrical machines which use heavy current for their functioning. The worker who operate or handle these machines are provided with thick footmats or the insulating materials to stand upon and work. So now we are going to discuss about the checkpoint 3. Glass is an insulator. Okay, what type of material is be glass? It is be as a insulator. Aluminium allows the dash to pass through them. Aluminium is a metal which allows the current to pass through it. Electrical tool and appliances have handles coated with insulating material, or you can even write it over here, any insulating material like rubber or plastic, etc. So here the second question is, define the following. Electric conductor. Okay, so you just have to define what is electric conductors. The material through which electric current can flow are called electric conductor. So here you can also give the example of any electric conductor. So you can write it over as all metals. Insulator. The materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them are called insulator. So here you can also give the example of that. That is be rubber or plastic. Etc. Thank you and have a nice day all.